how to get access to a client's Facebook ad account. So this can be really useful if you're an agency and you want to start running ads on someone else's behalf. Now, all you need to do is first head over to the website business.facebook.com. Now, make sure you're signed in to the correct Facebook account and then click on the drop-down arrow in the top left-hand side. You'll then need to make sure you're signed in to the correct business portfolio. So this will typically be your agency or your business account. Now, once you're signed in, on the left-hand side, click on Ads Manager. And then you'll need to press Add Account Settings. It then may take you over to this page and you can just press Go to Business Settings. You can then press Add in the top right hand side and you'll need to select Request Access to an ad account in another business portfolio. So what we need to do now is request access to our client's business ad manager. Now you can do that by typing in the ad account ID. Now to go and get this ID, you'll need to get your client to head over to the website adsmanager.facebook.com and they're going to see this window here. So you can click on your drop down arrow and here you'll find your different ad accounts. So you'll need to get your client to send you the ID number that they want to give you access to. You'll then need to type in the ad account number like provided and then press next. Now select the type of controls you're going to be requesting for the ad manager. Now I'm just going to select partial access and press confirm. Now once this has been requested, your client will then need to go in and approve this request. Once it's been approved, you'll now have access to this person's ad manager.